a proper like lastminute.com thing. I was looking through like Google and stuff last night, and Plain Eat, BuzzFeed and Insider Magazine all say the best McDonald's in the world is in France. We're in the south of England, and we got the possibility we can drive to France. If we jump on a ferry, we can drive to France, and we've got to do it. What else to do than try the best McDonald's in the world? I'm looking forward to that.
And see another 7 Wonders of the World. That's the main reason we're going.
Yeah, we'll do some other stuff while we're over there. This is our Euro trip.
Hello, I'm Rianne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business, rented out our house and quit our jobs to travel the world for a year.
We are driving from Portsmouth, which is in the centre of the south coast, over to the east, to Dover, to catch a ferry, over to France, and then work our way through Europe to Italy. So it's going to be quite an adventure. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we've nothing else to do, so let's do it.
Right there. So a quick coffee stop. First stop on the way. Little boy here needed wee wee, so we've had to stop.
Underrated crisps.
Oh, there we go. No. Marmite, best. They are literally the best crisps. We're about 40 minutes from the Dover ferry. We just stopped quickly to have a coffee, let the little boy have a wee wee, and then we're going to get back on the road. But the weather has not been kind to us.
It's been quite British.
Yes, it has been raining. You can barely see what's in front of you. It's been awful. So we've done well on time. We've still got 2.5 hours until our ferry.
That's right. It's good though.
So for us, that's good. Let's go and get coffee.
Yeah.
And we're back on the road.
Our next McDonald's will be in France.
Oh, a bit far.
Go. We just got into Dover now. The lorries and the trucks and stuff queued up for like 5 miles. Crazy. They're all obviously heading into Europe to drop things off. Beautiful though. All the white cliffs and stuff.
Passport control. Oh, a little bit too far.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello. Vaccination. We've just been through passport control. Pretty straightforward. They checked the car, make sure we didn't have anything dangerous or explosive, which we didn't. And we're just in a queue waiting to get on. 30 minutes, we should be on.
These ferry tickets cost us £80, which is roughly about $100. We're going with Irish Ferries. It seemed to be the cheapest one we could find online. If you do it last minute, it tends to cost more, so book more in advance. We booked these last night.
Yeah.
Standard Rihanna Ben.
Yeah, standard.
I'm already bored waiting, so I've gone to the boot and got us chocolate flapjack out and some Mowens to snack on while we're waiting.
What?
Mowens? Mowens? So we've just parked up, literally 1 second it took us to drive on. We're in, right at the front. We're gonna get out and go and see what's on the ferry.
Let's go on the ferry.
I can't remember the last time I went on a ferry. I must have been like 10, 1.
It changed a bit.
No. Very windy and cold after this. I'm not planning on staying up here long. So we just had a wander around. There's a brasserie, children's play area, arcade, loads of toilets, loads of seating area. Perfect. Just what we need.
And if you're wondering what the toilets are like on a ferry, they're actually quite nice. Warm water, soap, mirror, good lighting, and loads of cubicles, which is what I like. And you can dry your hands there. 20 minutes later, we're in France, so bonjour! Way to go! Ah, we're in France, we drove to another country. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Nerve-wracking.
Yeah, remember the right side of the road.
Oh shit, we're on the, oh no.
Oh no, it's too late now.
So what, I've got to be near the curb, haven't I?
You got to be near the curb.
Oh, I'm scared now. Oh, wish me luck. I've never drove in another country.
You'll be fine.
Oh, starting to panic now.
You'll be fine.
Starting to panic. Just follow the car, right? That's all we're doing.
Follow the car.
I've got to be by the curb.
Yeah, on the right.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
You're smashing it so far.
Shut up, I've not even left the boat. Follow the car, I'm just going to follow him. Wherever you're going, mate, that's where I'm going. Nowhere. Just a big open space. Alright, follow him, we're following him. Oh my god, what is going on? Exit, sortie. Sortie.
Sweetie.
Sortie. Right, I'm just following him. Oh, what? Why is he going that way?
Going right.
Oh shit. We've all done it, everyone's done it.
Oh no, his car's, yeah. Yeah, oh, she's went down there. She's not supposed to.
We've all done it. Nothing to declare.
It's us.
That can't be it, surely.
No, I think we've got to go for another bit, haven't we?
I did say customs though.
No, I went to.
I hope it is that easy. Never is normally. I feel like we're through. Oh my god, we're merging with these big lorries.
Yeah.
You have to give me some facts about France.
France, they speak French.
No, do they? They eat frogs as well, don't they?
They eat frogs, they eat snails. Frogs' legs, don't they?
Frogs' legs. I think I've had one.
Yeah, they're right. I've got a feeling we're through.
I've got a feeling we're through.
Yeah, I can't imagine you'd be going all this way to go to customs.
But it said customs there.
Yeah. Show our passport then. Maybe it's probably some sort of agreement either side of the border that we show our passports that side of the border and we're through.
Yeah. It's lucky I learnt French in school. I'm going to be fluent.
Go on then.
Je m'appelle Vianne. Bonjour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. That's all I know.
That's all you need to know.
What's toilet?
Le bug.
The book. And Mercy's thank you. I think we're in it. We're in it. This is the motorway. We're in France. I'm driving in another country and I have no idea what the speed limits are or what the rules are.
Well, you're absolutely smashing it, Rianne.
I'm just following this car. Oh, we need to put the sat nav on now.
We are in France. We don't plan on staying. We're going to head west about, don't know.
About an hour?
Yeah, about an hour. To Ypres in Belgium. And we're going to spend the night there. Let's find out why French McDonald's is the best in the world.
Thank you. Whoa. Salad pots. Look, cinema. The new cinema.
Yeah, cinema ticket with it.
What? Oh, look at that. There's bakeries.
Yeah, that's crushing.
What are you going for, Ben? He's gone on the menu Maxi Best Of.
What about that? What's that?
What about the signature menu? Oh, that looks good. Oh. So I'm going to go for the Maxi. I'm going to go for fries. We're going to have wedges of salad and mayonnaise. Not really sure what these are though. Citron de Perfect. I'm gonna go for a Coke Zero. And that's done. That's order.
We made it. We're at McDonald's. Finally made it. What did you get?
Oh. I went for the triple cheeseburger, max size, fries, large fries, and a large Coke.
We've also got a croquet McDo, a 280 burger as well.
And you got fries, and Diet Coke as well. Oh, there's some Cokes on here.
Yeah.
Oh, so yours is like a ciabatta roll, isn't it? You can't zoom out with this.
It's not actually that.
Is it not?
No, it's quite bland. It's not really no flavour. I thought it was barbecue.
No.
No, it's not barbecue. It's got one local pounder, cheese, and like some coleslaw sort of stuff.
It's like a ciabatta bun, isn't
Yeah,
it?
like a ciabatta bun.
Not with that.
No. This is a McDo. With a cheese and ham toasted inside. It's two types of the buns, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's two buns, isn't it?
Yeah. It's quite nice.
Is it cheesy? Is it hammy?
It's cheesy and it's hammy.
Would you eat again?
Yeah, probably, maybe. It's alright.
You have a big enough bite there. Gosh, look at that. And I just went for a normal triple cheeseburger, and it looks exactly the same size. Where it said Maxi on it, I thought it was going to be like really big, but it's not actually the warmest. This is freezing cold, and these came up cold, so I'm not impressed. I'm trying the croquet, and I really like it. It's very cheesy and hammy, but it's like a bechamel sauce in it. That is good. I would have that again, 100%. All Ben's been going on about is going to McDonald's in France. I've gone to McDonald's in France. How was it?
In all honesty,
Yeah.
I've had better McDonald's, but you can't judge it on one thing. Maybe I'll try.
I'm not going again. Should we eat it locally, not a McDonald's? I think that's one of the worst McDonald's I've ever had, so
It was cold.
yeah.
But I've had better McDonald's.
And I didn't think the menu was not impressive. There wasn't barely anything new. There was a couple of different burgers and that. Even the McFlurries, there's the one McFlurry on the menu. Nah, not for me.
Maybe next time.
Comes down to French Mcdonalds.
I'll give them another chance. We're heading to Ypres in Belgium. There's a parade at 8 o'clock. It's for the unknown soldiers that were never identified and killed in action, World War I. But we've just looked at the time. It starts at 8 o'clock and it's 35 minutes to, so we should be alright, but it's going to be close. So let's go.
Can I have a sweetie, please, to get this McDonald's taste out of my mouth, please? And can you unwrap it and insert it in my mouth?
A sweetie? We're in Belgium, new country for...
Me! Never been.
I've been once, now I've been twice.
We've literally just arrived with 5 minutes to spare. We've parked up and we're just walking to the memorial. It is, I've never seen it. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's jam-packed as well.
Every day, 100 people come out and watch these. They perform every single day for over 100 years. It's for remembering the soldiers from World War I that were unknown, and every night they play. It's amazing. My dad told me about it. I didn't even know about it, so we're just about to catch him now.
Welcome to this daily act of remembrance.
Well, that is probably one of the most incredible things I have ever seen.
A bit emotional, wasn't it?
Every single day. I
Right.
can't get over that. And so I've downloaded an app called App Stopper,
and they've told me this pub here, this car park is free to stay in, but we can't see anyone staying here, so Ben's gone in to ask. Hopefully they understand English. But if it is here, this is a really good location because it's very quiet, it's surrounded by fields, and it feels really secure and safe. So hopefully this is where we're staying. If we are, I'll let you know the name and the place. It was literally about a 10-minute drive from Ypres, where we just watched the Men and Gates, so ideal if you want to go there. What did he say?
Yep. He said no problem. Actually, he was quality. He said no problem, and he said there's a toilet there actually. He said you can use the toilet, and he said yep, you're fine.
What?
Yeah, what a guy, what a guy.
Oh, let's get our jammies on and get comfortable.
Yeah, Belgian people are good. That's quality, all easy sleeping on that. How far back these seats go?
Can you put mine back? How did you do it? Oh! I made it go forward. There is a sleeping bag in the way behind. Yeah, but I've got a steering wheel.
Miles away from the steering wheel.
Yeah, but you can put your legs up there. Don't you dare be doing that. Right,
so.
should we make our beds there then?
I think so.
Alright. So this is my solution. Oh no, where'd it go? To the windows. Oh, here you go. There's one here anyway.
Okay. So I think they're designed to keep the sun out.
Yeah, they're made for kids, to keep the sun out of their eyes. But this is what I'm going to read. I think you're meant to lick it. That's going good. There you go.
It's
One there.
A small level of privacy, I suppose.
And then we've got this to go in the front. So this is our bed.
Super comfortable.
It's actually not bad, is it?
Nah, that's alright.
I'm actually really shocked, look. Yeah, I think it's going to be alright. Don't know when the sun goes down if it'll get cold.
From England to France to Belgium, all in one day. So 3 countries in one day. It's not bad going.
No, and I'm actually amazed. The first night here, we found a free park up to sleep in.
Yeah, and the guy was absolutely epic.
And it was really easy. It was the first one we clicked on. It was 10 minutes away from where we'd last visit. And the guy was like, yeah, and there's a toilet there. So this is beautiful. I think
sound.
we'll make sure we get early for the sunrise. I reckon it'll be well nice.
Yeah, I think it's pretty comfortable, but I don't know.
You're a bit large, aren't you?
No, I'm alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you ain't got a steering wheel in front of you.
No, well, that's...
Well, we're going to end the video here now. We're going to go, well, I'd say go to sleep. What time is it? 8:45. But we'll probably watch a film, have a couple of snacks, and get our heads down because we want to get up early and get on the road as soon as.
Keep watching the vlogs because we're going to try and upload probably most days.
Yeah, we're going to, but this one hopefully we'll do tomorrow.
Yeah, and then every 2 days.
Yeah, we're going to aim for. But make sure you follow us on our social media pages. If you like Facebook, it's on tour with Dridgers. And if you like Instagram, I'm Rianne Dridge.
I'm Benj Dridger.
Follow us for daily updates and see whereabouts we are in Europe. We don't even know where we're going.
I don't know. I know what way we're going. I don't know where
but I don't know if we're staying in Belgium tomorrow. We might go to another country. All right, good night. See you tomorrow. This is so confusing. I'm just surrounded by massive vans trying to get to the tiny car bit.
Massive lorries. They're not vans, are they?
They started, and it's for remembering. It's for remembering. Help me.
Remembrance. That's
remembering.
Yeah.